I'm standing in front of this ominous set of doors right now, and that is because I need this handy dandy light right now, because I was absolutely scrambling to shoot B-roll as the sun was setting, so hopefully it turned out all right. But today was pretty warm, so we were able to get the summer tires out, and it was good flying weather, so that was good. However, I did not go for redemption at the spot in the previous video, which in my opinion has better flow, but I really didn't want to deal with the scraggle today, and I always know here there's no people. And when I'm flying, there's usually one of two feelings. You're either like relaxed and glad you went out because it's like disconnect from reality, or you're having a lot of failures or just generally struggling in some way and just a little bit discouraged. And I would say today was the latter of the two. That's all right, that's how it goes sometimes, but I was definitely crashing a lot despite going to the easier spot. And lately I feel like I've been flying for the camera a lot. I'm always trying to just string together 4 minutes of flow, a whole battery of flow that I can post to YouTube. And today I just wasn't really able to do it, nor was I feeling it. So towards the end, I was more flying for myself and trying to work on some of my weaknesses in my flying. So at this particular spot, for whatever reason, I can't get like left roll floaty stuff into whatever moves I'm doing. Towards the end, I think I realized it's because I'm always flying counterclockwise around this spot, so I need to like reverse the direction to be able to get the left turn floaty stuff to work. But anyways, you all know the real reason you're seeing me right now is to do the damage report. So here we go. So nothing too crazy today. One prop, which was this one, and I kept having a loose prop, which was super annoying. This one right here, so I should really replace these locking nuts because this one's getting worn out. And that cost me a couple crashes. When you just hit scraggle, the prop comes loose and then you don't have control authority anymore. And the most disappointing failure was I lost an antenna again. I've moved to thicker zip ties with this zip tie mounting technique, and that's still not cutting it. It just snapped. I think zip ties are just too brittle or something, so I need to figure out a new way to mount my antennas. And speaking of antennas, the TBS Dum Dum antenna lost its top, and this happens all the time to me with these antennas. I think they just prefer being topless. No shame in that. And my goggles were also being a little bit finicky again, not as bad as last time, but I need to do something about that. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. I don't want to keep saying that, so please hit the subscribe button wherever it is, and thanks for watching.